डिक्लेअर करून लाय बरं आमकां जाय मरे सर मातशें डिक्लेअर कर
सगळे प्रेस हांगा हातीची माफी मागून कारण ताका थोडोय भायर रावचे पडले but to follow the procedure and to avoid any problem I have to do this. I have already declared here for the post of this corporation mayor Ms. Surendra Bhutalu is elected by ballot and Tata Malik and deputy post of the deputy mayor unopposed. Thank you.
For the ruling corporators, it is our collective responsibility. Goa is emerging as one of the fastest urbanizing area, with more than 50% of the population already living in urban areas, and is classified as a city-state. Panaji, the capital of Goa, is under tremendous and multiple pressures of urbanization. While I address major challenges in my past term, major questions are asked about the city garbage management, traffic congestion, key infrastructure like municipal market, pollution levels. These have been key challenges and require the support of the Chief Minister and the local MLA and the funds from the state and central government for resolution. The only way to solve this problem is through political will, public cooperation, and a well thought out plan of action.
We have once again reselected the deputy mayor of the city and to accept the responsibilities that you are trust and entitled with. My fellow councillor, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am truly humbled and gratified by your confidence in me. I will also extend all qualified support to our mayor in his attempt to make our city ideal and beautiful one.
Who have always backed me for the good work I have done. They have given me good coverage always, especially in the last 15 days. Because of the media that we are standing here today, our priorities, lifting the garbage, the most important is desealing of all the stormwater drains, to ask the government to give us a new garbage treatment plant, to ask the government to see that Santinez Creek becomes a dream. We can do this only with the support of the government. Said that I and the CM have tussled. That is a war of love. We are very good friends. Have you any time seen Mr. Manohar Parrikar saying anything to me through the media, even though if I have said that is hate and love words? I am confident that this time he will help the cooperative city of Panji. I am confident he will not listen to any of his chamchas, and he and we will work together for the betterment of Panji. People of Panji should not suffer because of politics. I have no politics, I have no ego. I am appealing today to the media that Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Surendra Bhutalu, my deputy and all my 30 corporators will work for the city of Panji. And I am confident he will do it. I have said that in my speech. You got a copy of my speech, and I am confident I will print it in full tomorrow.
Mr. Mayor, what are your plans for the next year, specifically?
I have said no.
Sure.
Garbage treatment plant, Santinez Creek, pay parking. Pay parking, I want to do it in a better way. Last time it was too much in a hurry. I took over and I wanted to show something we can do. Because pay parking should be a discipline for the city.
What about
Because people are really fed up. They want to shop the gun because everybody doesn't have a driver. So we will work out some modalities how better we can do this time than the last year. I have asked my commissioner that all the contracts, whether it's pay parking, garbage, lifting or anything, that will be vetted by our panel of lawyers. Not in the past, our staff is to draft the lease agreement. It was one-sided, favoring the contractors, not the CCB. This will not happen. We've got a panel of lawyers and they will give us a pakka agreement on every contract that we sign, like the one we did for the Panjim market lease agreement which we have drafted and vetted by the law department. Like that we will do it. Have trust in us.
What about the Santinez
raise
Creek?
the revenue? Because you always face that problem, revenue problem.
See, first of all, I have to get around 15 crores from the government of past so many years for salary grants. We have not got house tax and garbage tax from any of the government offices nor government quarters. If government can give us this, I am satisfied. Because all my revenue, what I get every year, goes for salaries. And if government is not giving the salary grant for last 5 years, which is amounting to 15 crores, and if we get another 15 crores from the Panjim market, we are trying to see how best we can help the tenants